My name is Kylie, and I'm helping out with a bunch of other 5th graders paint this mural. The reason why I wanted to help is because I love painting and I love to draw, and I just love to help others. I like to see people admire paintings like this.
I brought some students down from Donegan to help these 2 artists paint the new mural on the Greenway. Anna Smith from Community Action Bethlehem reached out to me to connect me with Billy and Jermel, the 2 artists, to see if our students wanted to somehow participate. So our students actually came up with the design for the mural. They did sketches and I sent them to the artists, and then the artists kind of compiled them together to create the image that they have.
Right now we have the children come in to do some extra painting on the sides because we have some spots that we know them to fill in. Oh, I love working with the kids. It's a great experience. I love seeing them learn. I love seeing them paint the colors, doing it the right way. Even the wrong way, they're still doing a good job.
I'm Antonio and I'm in 5th grade. We're helping our art teacher, Ms. Anderson, paint a mural. One thing that I like about being creative is that it's easy and it's not that hard to be creative.
And the way Ms. Anderson did the steps, that actually inspired me to actually start painting again, because when I got a paint set for Christmas, I was really actually nervous because that's when I haven't painted in a while. And now that I'm actually getting to paint again, I'm starting to get the hang of painting again. And I like it.
We're super grateful to the artists and Community Action Bethlehem for thinking about Donegan and keeping our students included in this community project.